Cleaning and ordinary maintenance. Safely stop the robot by pressing the big red stop button before any cleaning and maintenance operations. Also remember to wear protective gloves. Once a month, clean all outside surfaces of the robot with a lightly wet sponge, using a neutral detergent. Do not use solvents or petrol, nor high-pressure water jets. Do not partially or completely immerse the robot in water. We suggest you carry out weekly maintenance of blade and wheels, battery charging poles, charging station and contact plates. Disconnect the power plug from the power socket. Use a dry cloth to clean the robot's charging poles. Check contact plates and clean them as well. Remove any grass remains from the charging station. If necessary, use fine sandpaper to remove deposits caused by electric contacts from the charging poles and the contact plates. Check the lower part of the robot, blade and wheels, and use a suitable brush to remove any grass remains. The repair and replacement of robot components and batteries has to be carried out by a skilled dealership staff. Check the blade. If it is bent or damaged, you can purchase a new one at the dealership and replace it on your own, if you have a basic knowledge of the process. Press the big red stop button to safely stop the robot. Wear protective gloves. Turn the robot upside down carefully so as to not damage its hood. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws and remove the blade. Insert a new blade and fasten the screws. Turn the robot back to its operating position. Press the big red stop button again to finish. Before winter storage, clean the robot as previously explained. Charge the battery completely and remember to charge it again at least once every 5 months should the period of inactivity be longer. Take care of your robot by timely carrying out the yearly routine maintenance. It should be performed by a skilled specialist in a dealership. Take the robot off the charging station and store it in a dry place, safely out of reach of kids and pets, and at a temperature between 10 and 20 degrees Celsius, so as to reduce the automatic discharge of the batteries. Disconnect the power cord from the power socket and the charging station's power cord from the power pack. Cover the charging station to preserve the contact plates. Before restarting the robot in the spring, remove the station cover and clean the contact plates with a dry cloth. Connect the charging station's power cord to the power pack and the power cord to the power socket to supply electricity to the charging station. Position the robot inside the charging station and press on. After a few seconds, charging appears on the display. Check to make sure the pre-programmed mowing days and work schedules still correspond to your lawn's needs. If you added new trees, flower beds, or any other obstacles in your lawn, remember to adapt the route of the perimeter wire accordingly. Refer to Perimeter Wire, How to Manage Obstacles, and Extra Variants, How to Join Wires Together for further information.